What is up, beautiful people? It is me, your girl, Liza Liy, and I am back with a spicy look. Okay, this is a natural going makeup look, you know what I'm saying? I'm so disappointed that I haven't uploaded any video on my channel for 3 months. 3 months, okay? That's a very long time. I just been busy, but I'm back at it now. In this, within 3 months, this is the video right here, okay? I'm gonna try my best to upload often as I can, because you know, to do all this requires time. So we're gonna make time for this, okay? We're going to make time for this, I promise. Okay, I literally used 3 colors to create this look. If you're interested of how I create this and you would like to recreate the look, then please keep on watching. And for the eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the Annabella eyebrow pencil in the shade Universal Dark. And I'm going in with the MAC concealer in the shade NC45. Top concealing, I'm gonna use the Covergirl concealer in the shade D90. I'm gonna mix it with the MAC because this is a little bit dark, so to get a perfect shade that will match my skin tone, okay? Look at this base, baby. Ooh, okay, MAC, okay. Alright, so we're digging into the palette. So I'm gonna take the Warrior by Juviasplace shade right here. And I'm gonna tap this all over the eyelid, okay? Not all the way up into the eyebrows, no, because I want it to look a little natural. So we're building up on this color right here. Alright, I'm gonna take the Warrior 2 by Juviasplace as well, and I'm gonna go in with this like light brown. Look how pigmented the palettes are. You need to get them, sis. I'm gonna take this light pink right here, and this is going to be our transaction color. I'm gonna go back in with the brown shade just a little, so in that way the brown right in the middle stands out. Go ahead and pop these on off camera. I'm gonna be back so we can jump right into the face, okay? For the primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Pixi Rose Cream, and I'm gonna apply a little, and I'll moisturize this right into my skin. Oh, I love the way this smells. It smells so good. Alright, so for the foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline 370, and this is going to be our foundation today. You guys, I'm loving the way that this foundation melted into the skin. Okay, this is pretty. Concealing, I'm going in with the Juviasplace concealer plus the Born This Way in the shade Chai. The Juvia's is in the shade 15, by the way. I'm just gonna apply a little of this, not too much. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer underneath the Juviasplace concealer. I love these concealers. They just work perfectly together. Okay, so for the contour, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Rubkisses. And these don't have shades, but they have numbers, and these are the numbers. These were supposed to be foundation, but I like using as a contour, and these work just perfect for me. I dig into this dark shade right here. Look how creamy they are. Okay, and I'm gonna apply this right in here. You see that? So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Sacha Buttercup powder to lock in the concealer. I'm gonna let this bake while I'm contouring, and for the contour today I'm gonna be using the KVD palette, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade, which is this. Because I already used the cream contour, I will not use a lot of this. I don't want it too dark, so I'm just gonna go in lightly. Don't forget the forehead too, sis. I'm gonna dig into this shade as well to just look in the rest of the foundation. For the blush, going in with the Juviasplace palette. These two. I don't want it too pink, so I'm gonna take in a little to just warm up the damn cheeks, okay? I'm gonna go in with the Mark Shimmery in the shade Hard to Get. And I'm gonna take these two shades right here. I'm gonna take my Annabella Fee Perfect makeup setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my face. For the lip line, I'm gonna use the Extremely Lasting 16 Hours by Essence, and it's in the shade Brown. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia lip gloss. Lastly, I'm gonna take the powder lighter and I'm gonna apply that right in here. Not too much, just a little. In that way, this area right here stands out. Alright, just like that. This is the mascara by Essence as well. I'm gonna go in with Bacca highlighting. I'm gonna take my Morphe setting mist and I'm gonna spray this all over my face. Oh, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my hair and of course throw on a little blazer, and I'm gonna be back, okay? That's it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you like about this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.